What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I am testing out another curly hair influencer's curly hair routine. The last one that I did was from Zendaya, and if you haven't seen that video, I will leave it linked in the description box, and I'll also put a card here in the video. So here I am today testing out another routine, and today's routine is going to be from Curly Penny here on YouTube. She is an amazing curly hair influencer. She does a lot of different videos. She is so hilarious. I have been following her for many years and I love her channel. I will leave her channel linked in the description box. If you have not seen her or you don't follow her, definitely go follow her right now. Subscribe to her channel, and while you're at it, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the bell so that you're notified when I upload videos here on YouTube. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into Penny's curly hair routine. So here I have all of the products that I need for Curly Penny's routine. When I did Zendaya's routine, it was because it was very simplified. It was quick and to the point. She used basically 3 products, and this routine is going to be quite the opposite. It's a little more lengthy. It's a lot more products, but maybe we're going to get amazing results. For Curly Penny's routine, you will need 14 items. Yes, 14 items. I know it seems like a lot, but some of these items are things that we would typically have on hand if you are a curly girl. I'm going to go through all the things that you will need, but I do want to mention that there are 3 items that I don't have the exact product for, but I have a really great dupe for. The process will not change and the majority of the products will not change. So here we go. First, you're going to need an oil. She uses the Tropic Isle oil and I'm going to use the Hair RX oil. Does the same exact thing. Plastic cap, a heating cap. Then she goes in with the Wash Day Wonder by Devacurl. And then she uses the Pacifica shampoo. This is a product that I do not have on hand, and because it is time for me to brighten up my blonde a little bit, I am going to go in with this right here today. Be Unique Purple Shampoo. This is sulfate free. Then she goes in with the Deep Sea Repair Mask from Devacurl, B-leave by Devacurl, the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Line Defining Cream, as well as the Frizz Control Sculpting Gel from Not Your Mother's. You will also need a wig cap to plop with, and then she uses the Carol's Daughter spray to finish off her look, and I do not have that particular one, but I am going to use the Innersense Organic I Create Finish, which is a light hairspray. And then she briefly mentions how she refreshes, and she refreshes with this right here, which is the Which I Love Your Hair Magic Mist. We're not really gonna use this today, but this is what she refreshes her curly hair with. You will also need a t-shirt to scrunch with. I'll be using my t-shirt towel from Hair Repair, a dryer and a diffuser, and she actually uses the Devadryer and devafuser in her video. So that is what we will be using today. That is all of the items that we are gonna use today. It's a lot, I know, but hopefully I'm gonna get amazing results the same way that Curly Penny does in her hair video. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm gonna do is take my hair down. We are working with, wow, this, oh, she's got her work cut out for her. That's all I'm gonna say. We are dealing with 5th day hair now. It is clearly time for a wash. So let's go ahead and get this wash day started. So the first thing that Penny does is she goes in with her hair oil, and she does this to help stimulate growth. She massages her scalp with it, and the Hair RX oil has a lot of benefits, including benefits for growth. So I'm just gonna go in with this and do exactly like she does with the Tropic Isle oil. And I'm just gonna put a little extra oil on the rest of my hair, because at this point she puts a plastic cap on and also her heated cap and leaves it on for about 20 minutes. Back at about 20 minutes to move on to the next step. The next step in her routine is to go in with the Wash Day Wonder, which I used to use this all of the time, and she does say in her video that she doesn't use it with every wash, just with the washes that she feels like her hair is most tangled. And today is a great day for me to use this again because my hair is super tangled. Since she shows you what her hair loss was, I will show you mine as well. Here is how much I lost detangling, which is really great for 5 days without washing my hair. So the next step is to go rinse this out and wash my hair. And again, I am going to be using this shampoo instead of the Pacifica shampoo, but all does the same thing. We're gonna wash our hair and I'll be back. So we are shampooed and I am ready to go in with the Deep Sea Repair Mask. And I do wanna say, if you can tell that my makeup is a little jacked up around my hairline, that is because I had a little situation. Purple shampoo can actually stain. And I did not realize that I had it around my hairline and it was sitting there for like 5 minutes. I had big purple marks all around my hairline. Then I had to scrub my skin to try to get that purple shampoo off, which in turn scraped off all of my makeup. And I tried to fix the situation, but I fear I didn't do that great of a job. It is time to deep condition and we are gonna go in with the Deep Sea Repair Mask by Devacurl. And one of the reasons that Penny says that she loves this mask is because of the protein in it. That is also the reason I really love this mask. The protein helps to strengthen the hair, especially when you have color treated hair. She only leaves this on her hair long enough to wash her body. I'm gonna leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes and let it work its magic. My hairball's friend right here. Okay, so now it's time to start the styling process, and what she does first is she kind of holds her head forward, which is why I'm standing up like this, and she detangles her hair, combing it all kind of forward into the sides, and this is how she applies her products. She first goes in with the B-leave and she smooths it over, rakes it in, and then scrunches. She follows it up with the defining cream and then follows that up with the gel. These are the next 3 products that we are gonna be applying to our hair. Here we go. Styling my hair like this feels very strange, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I can't get any product at my root because I can't really like get in there. Moving on to the curl cream. Now going in with the gel. The next step is to add just a little bit more gel and kind of to coat each curl. The next step is to scrunch with a t-shirt, and I'm gonna go in with my t-shirt towel by Hair Repair for that. The next step she does is to put on a wig cap to plop the hair, and this helps with curl definition. So I've never used a wig cap for this, but we're about to do it. I think I did it wrong. So I think we have a problem here. I think the problem is her wig cap didn't have a hole in the top. Clearly this is not correct. Maybe she tied a knot at the top of hers. That's what I'm gonna try to do. I'm just gonna take this and tie it in a knot. We are looking more like an onion now, which is the goal. So I think I did it. I think I did it right. She plops for about 15 minutes and then she allows her hair to air dry about 70% of the way, and then she goes in with her dryer and devafuser and dries the rest of her hair. Let's hope for good results. But it has been 15 minutes now, so I am taking off my wig cap. Now I'm going to let this air dry until it's about 70% dry and then come back and finish by diffusing. So far, here are my results. It is time to start diffusing, but as of right now, my results are what I expected from trying to air dry my hair. Me and air drying are like oil and water. My hair just like falls flat and I lose all curl definition. It's not ideal. Let's hope that this diffusing process will bring my curls back to life, because right now I'm feeling a little like wah, wah. Let's hope for the best, and here we go, and we're gonna diffuse. All right, you guys, I'm trying to do this just like Penny does it in her video because her hair just looks so perfect whenever she does this. She kind of parts it right here and then Puts it back like that. Oh, okay, volume. Was not expecting this. So let me go ahead and do the last step before I give you my thoughts. She goes in with the Carol's Daughter, I think it's like Cactus Rose Water Spray or something like that. Gives her hair a little bit of hold, and so I am gonna go in with the Innersense I Create Finish, and she just does a few spritzes. Here are the final results. You definitely have to let me know what you think in the comments. I don't have like the curl definition that I maybe usually have, but the volume that I got is actually really crazy. I feel like part of that is attributed to the way she combs her hair forward and the way that it dries. Feels like I got a lot more volume right here. I do feel like my hair looks a little more wavy versus curly with this routine, but I'm totally fine with that. Now, she doesn't really shake out her roots or anything, but I am gonna go ahead and shake out my roots a little bit just to see if I can get a little extra volume. Oh yes, I love the volume that I'm getting right now. My hair's very soft. I really didn't have much of a cast at all. I'm just gonna do a little spin so that you can see the full 360. I definitely think that I'm gonna try out this routine again, maybe using my normal regular products and see how it turns out. Thank you to Penny for having an amazing curly hair routine that I could try out on my channel. Thank you to you guys for watching today. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to let me know below who else you would like me to try their curly hair routines out on my channel. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out. Oof, 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 oof. It's so fluffy. I love big hair.